The vocabulary word we are exploring now is sneeze. Sneeze. Imagine feeling a tickle in your nose, then suddenly releasing a burst of air with a loud achoo. That sudden action is called a sneeze. It happens when the body tries to clear irritants from the nose, and it's one of the most common human reflexes. Meaning of sneeze. Sneeze means to force air suddenly and noisily through the nose and mouth, usually because of irritation inside the nose. Examples: he had to sneeze after smelling the strong perfume. She sneezed loudly during the meeting, making everyone laugh. Cold weather often makes people sneeze. Short story. Ravi was sitting in the library preparing for his exams when he suddenly felt a tickle in his nose. Before he could stop it, he let out a loud sneeze that echoed through the quiet hall. Everyone turned to look at him, and his face turned red. A kind librarian brought him tissues and smiled. Though embarrassed at first, Ravi laughed along when his friends teased him later. That moment reminded him that sneezing is natural, and sometimes even the quietest places need a little unexpected humor.